Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design a monogram logo by using grid. Also I will show the full process to make the logo, and how I make it modern like that. This is very easy tricks to make any design modern, just follow some steps. So, to learn these steps, you have to watch this video till end. So friends, let's get started the video. First take line segment tool, and draw a line. Give it stroke color. Now copy the line by hold Alt, and copy it total 10 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Okay, that's good. Now select all lines and make it vertical align bottom, and group it. Now we are making triangle by using this lines, because we are going to design our logo on triangle. If you know the angle of triangle, you can easily make it. If you don't know the angle of triangle, you take a triangle shape from your toolbar. It helps to make you the triangle. So select the lines, and copy it. For copy, go Edit, and select Copy, again go Edit, and select Paste in place. Now go Transform, and select 120 degree. Again copy the line by following previous method. And go Transform, and make it 240 degree. Now select the vertical lines, and rotate it 90 degree like that. Okay, that's good. We have successfully drawn our triangle by lines. Now select everything, and take Shape Builder tool. Also turn on Fill Color. Now draw our design on lines. When you are design your logo letter on lines, be careful, otherwise you can make mistake. Okay, that's good. I have designed my logo letter on lines. Now I have to move it from above lines. So first select the design, and make it ungroup. And now move your design from lines. Okay, that's fine. So friends, this is our primary logo which most of us can design. But most of us cannot make this type of logo modern. So watching the video, how I make this logo modern. First of all, we need to draw a line in middle of every main line, but we cannot accurately place it without this technique. So, first go outline mode by press Ctrl Y. Now take line segment tool, and draw a line. Select the line, and go Transform, and make it 120 degree. Now carefully place the line on design line. Again place the same line on another main line. Okay, that's good. Now select the two lines, and move it little bit distance from the main design. Again take line segment tool, and draw a line like that. Now select the three lines, and take Shape Builder tool, and remove the extra parts like that. Now select the middle line, and we can see a middle point on the line. Copy the right side line by hold Alt, and place it middle accurately like that. Now delete the bottom line. OK, that's good. Select the 3 lines, and make it group. Now carefully place it right position like that. Go back previous mode by press Ctrl Y. Now select the design, and take Shape Builder tool, turn on Fill Color, and carefully dive this 2 part like that. Now select the design, and ungroup it, also delete the lines. Now select this part, and take Move tool, and curve it. Oh sorry, I make mistake, before curve, I have to copy this part. So go back by press Ctrl Z. Now select this part, and copy it. You can copy easily anything by press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Now take Delete Anchor Point, and delete this point. Now take Move tool, and curve it. I curve it 7 pixel. Now select the design, and take Shape Builder tool, and joint this like that. Now select this part, and take Delete Anchor Point, and delete this anchor like that. Now select this part, and take Move tool, and curve it. Oh sorry, I make mistake again. Before curve, copy it. For copy, go Edit, and select Copy, again go Edit, and select Paste in place. Now curve it. Again select the design, and take Shape Builder tool, and joint this part like that. Now select the top shape, and take Delete Anchor Point, delete the anchor. Why I take Delete Anchor Point, and delete this anchor? Because there are create some anchor. For that, I cannot curve this corner properly. That's why I have to delete this extra anchor point. Okay, that's good. I think everything is okay. Now again go outline mode by press Ctrl Y. See that, I made a mistake, so resolved it. Select the 3 lines, and reverse the rotate line. Now properly place this lines on the 2 shape of the design. I think that's perfect, so go normal mode by press Ctrl Y. Now select the design, and take Shape Builder tool, turn on Fill Color, and divide these part like that. Now delete the extra parts of the design. Okay, that's good. Now we applied gradient color on this logo. So select the design and take eyedropper tool and use this gradient color. Okay, that's perfect. Now properly use the gradient color on this logo. So friends, this is our today's logo design tutorial. If you face any problems, kindly let me know your problem in the comment box. I will try to solve your problem. Also let me know your valuable feedback about the design, and support me by subscribe my channel to get regular new videos about graphic design. Thank you.